Hi, thank you very much for your work. Um, Very good. You don't have any problem with serious problem with your English for sure. You have looked at the text very carefully and discuss it in the group. I believe of that. Now let's look at the organization first, the flow of the organization, and then we look at other things. But the most important one is the flow of linear thinking, yeah, of the organization of your essay. The introduction is very good. You write two sentences here. Yeah. So you're going to stress in the economic sphere, globalization affects market, commodities, labor, asset, and debt. So you're going to explore this in your essay. Yeah, because it's stated in your introduction. Yeah. Now, second paragraph, you said international financial flows have flooded into national securities market and banking system all over the world. That's possible, and so on up to here. Um, that's explaining the market commodities, yeah, or they could be causes of currencies crisis, recession, depression, unemployment, and so on. So that's talking about market commodities. Ya, jadi agak nggak nyambung dengan this one. Kalau ini yang mau ditekankan, ya. Oke. At the same paragraph here terus tiba-tiba ada or both full stop. That's not a sentence. In a paragraph it should be sentences, ya. There is no phrases. Jadi ini kalimat yang ini adalah terpengaruh dari spoken. Oke, itu info dari saya tentang paragraf ini. Lalu next one, labor. Then you said financial globalization has, dan seterusnya sampai sini. Talking about capital loans. Then you said financial bad influence. Harusnya paragraf ini bicara soal labor. Ya. Then asset, and then ngomong debt gitu. Jadi paragraf ini menjadi tidak relevan dan tidak nyambung, ya, unless that you going to say something gitu. Jadi esainya nggak berbunyi, gitu ya. I'm going to give you an example from other groups, ya, a second. Oke, nah sekarang dibandingkan dengan ini. Dia kasih judul, that's okay. Terus economic globalization is the increase of economic dan seterusnya sampai sini. Itu intro. One part of globalization of economy is the financial sector. Okay. Terus in the development of globalization in the final sector, karena di atasnya dia bilang final sector, had its development journey. Inilah yang mau dia kembangkan. Gitu. Ya, terus tahapannya stage described below. Ini memang keliru dia, harusnya ini pakai bahasa Inggris. Gitu ya. So, the writer concentrate on the financial sector and its development journey. Oleh karena itu, esainya first period dia jelaskan. Second period jelaskan. The third period dan seterusnya. That's the fourth after the World War. Gitu ya. Jadi nyambung. Satu coherence gitu, satu esainya. Akan saya kasih contoh satu lagi dari kelompok lain. Ya, ini contoh dari kelompok yang lain. Globalization of finance, globalization the process dan seterusnya. Intro in economic sphere people can face wider dan seterusnya. Terus dia ngomong globalization affects market in terms of commodities, labor, and finance. Sama seperti yang kalian bikin ya. The third type of market, finance, will be the subject of the discussion. Jadi dia akan ngomongin finance doang. Terus dia ngomong finance is the easiest dan seterusnya sampai sini. Nah, kelemahan dari essay ini tidak dia jabarkan. Terus dia kontradiksi di sini. Ya, tapi yang kedua dia ngomong the globalization of finance had long histories until we know today. Karena topiknya dia memang mau ngomong tentang finance-nya. As globalization countries, floating rates are common nowadays. Floating rates, that's also talking about finance gitu. Jadi difokuskan gitu. Ya, that's the example. Now, what I want you to do, you do not need to rewrite. Jangan rewrite, tapi harus menggunakan teks yang lain. Oke, teksnya diambil dari psikologi, login seperti biasa. Go to preparation material for final test. Click that one. Text for essay writing. Click that one. Terus pilih salah satu dari ini yang kalian nyaman, ya. Terus essay tentang transportation coba dilihat lagi strukturnya, ya, struktur logik dari essaynya. Gitu. Jadi pilih satu, discuss with your friend, and then email me, and then I'll give you feedback. Thank you.